Good day, everyone. Now I will show you how to solve for the measures of relative position for ungrouped data. So, of course, we have three relative position. These are the percentiles, quartiles, and z-score. So, pag-isa-isahin muna natin. Let's start with percentiles. For percentiles, kung kukunin natin yung percentile ng isang data, so we have an equation of number of values below x. So this is the given data over the total number of values times 100. So kung kinukuha natin yung percentile ng isang data, ito ang gagamitin nating formula. For example, number 1, the scores for student are 40, 45, 49, 53, 61, 65, 71, 79, 85, and 91. What is the percentile for score 71? So our goal is to solve for the percentile for score 71. So you need to use the formula, the data below the given data over the number of data times 100. So, nasan ba ang 71? Nandito. First thing you need to do is to make sure that your data are arranged from lowest to highest. Since naka-lowest to highest na yata yung ating data, we have 40, 45, 49, 53, 61, 65, 71, 79, 85, and 81. Okay, hindi na natin kailangang i-arrange pa. Okay, numerator natin, mas mababa sa 71. Bilangin natin, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 data na mas mababa sa 71. Over the number of data, we have 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have over 10 times 100%. Okay? 6 over 10 on your calculator, we have 0.60 times 100%. So parehas lang yung 0.60 sa 0.6 equals, so 0.60 times 100% is just 60%. Ano bang ibig sabihin nitong 60%? It just means that 60% of the class got a score of below 71. So 60% mismo ng klase ay nakakuha ng mas mababa sa 71. Yun yung ibig sabihin ng percentile natin. Okay? Next, the scores for students. Okay, ganun din lang yung data. Pero for example, ang hanapin natin is percentile for sabihin na natin, sabihin na natin 45. So hanapin natin yung percentile for 45 na data. So nasan yung 45? Nandito. Okay? First step, make sure that your data are arranged from lowest to highest. So yung data na natin ay nakaayos. So we have equals lang siya sa, so ilan ang data na mas mababa sa 45? Isa lang, very good, over how many number of datas? 10 times 100%. Okay, so 1 over 10 is 0.10 or 0.1. Parehas lang yan, times 100%. So this is just 10%. Ulitin ko, ang ibig sabihin ng 10%, that 10% of the class got a score of below 45 score. 45 points, I should say. Okay, so yan yung ibig sabihin ng percentile. Next, okay, what if yung percentile naman yung given? So hahanapin natin yung kung anong data yung ibig sabihin ng percentile natin. So for this, we have find the 58 percentile or P58 given the scores of 10 students in their mathematics activity using, I'm sorry, wala na to. So let me erase this. 58 percentile. Okay, so we have 1, 27, 16, 7, 31, 7, 33, 4, and 21. Okay, so kapag binigyan tayo ng hanapin natin yung data na P58, so we are just looking for the position of P58. So pang 58%. So alin nga ba dyan sa data natin ang pang 58%? So ang formula lang dyan, we have P, yung given na P natin na percentile. So over 100 times N plus 1. So N is just the number of data. So P natin is 58 over 100 times what is our N? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have 10 plus 1. So on your calculator, what is 58 over 100? Okay, so 58 divided by 100 is just 0.58. So 0.58 times 11. Okay, on your calculator ulit, 0.58 times 11. We have 6.38. So wala namang 6.38 sa data natin. Ang gagawin natin, tingin lang kayo dito sa sa tenths natin. So it is less than 4. So ang magiging sagot na natin dito ay pang 6 na data yung ating P58. So, naka-arrange na ba yung data natin from lowest to highest? Hindi pa. So, we need to arrange it. We have 1, 3, 4, 7, 7, 16, 21, 27, 30 and 31. Let's check kung tama. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so nasan dyan yung pang 6 na data. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So ang pang 58 natin ay yung 16 na data. Okay, so yun yung tamang sagot. Pag-position natin yung 58 na data. Next. Okay, what if kung ang hinahanap naman natin ay yung let's have an example of P84. Okay, so 84th percentile. So yun pa rin gagamitin nating formula. So position for P58, we have 50 P84. So 84 over 100 times 10 plus 1. So 84 over 100 is just 0.84 times 11. On your calculator, 84 times 11, 0.84 times 11 is 9.24. Okay, so tingnan ninyo yung tenths, ano natin, tenths digit. So we have 2, below siya sa 4, kaya magiging, I'm sorry, let's have this blue. So magkakaroon, kukunin natin yung pang 9th na data. So tingin tayo ulit kanina. So pang 9th na data, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So yung 30 yung kukunin natin as our final answer. Okay, so yan ang step para makuha natin yung position ng isang percentage at kung paano kunin din yung percentile natin. Okay? Next, we have of course the quartile. For the quartile, of course, for the root word quarter. So meron tayong 4 equal parts. Yun lang ibig sabihin nun. So We have that. So Q1, meaning lang meaning lang yan, 25%. Q2, we have 50% and Q3 which is 75. Of course, pag may Q4 tayo, meron tayong 100%. Okay, so Q1 is called the lower quartile, Q2 is called the median, kasi kalahati, and Q3 is the upper quartile. Okay, so these are the formula for quartiles. So pag position of Q1 natin, we have 1 over 4 times n plus 1. Pag Q3 naman, we have 3 over 4 times n plus 1. Of course, if we have Q2, we have 2 over 4 times n plus 1. So yan lang naman yung formula natin for quartiles. Meron din tayong tinatawag na interquartile range. We all know that range is highest minus lowest. But pag dinagdagan natin siya ng adjective or word before the range, so Q3 minus Q1 na yung magiging um, formula natin for interquartile range. Okay, let's have an example. We have 5, 7, 4, 4, 6, 2, 8. So we need to find Q1, Q2, Q3, interquartile range. And of course, we need to plot this data using box and whiskers plot. Okay, so makita natin kung ano yung box and whiskers plot. Q1 muna tayo. So Q1 is equal to 1 over 4. What is the number of data? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 plus 1. So 1 over 4. 7 plus 1 over 4. We have 8 over 4 which is 2. Yung pang second na data yung ating kukunin. Okay? Naka-arrange na ba yung ating data from lowest to highest? No. So, i-arrange nyo. So, we have 2, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we have this. So, ang pang-second na data natin ay yung 4 natin. So, this is actually yung 4 natin. Q1 is 4. How about for Q2? Q2 is equal to 2 over 4 n plus 1. So 2 over 4, sorry, it's not n plus 1, 7 plus 1. So 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16 over 4. 16 over 4 is 4. Okay, so fourth data tayo. So pangilan na, asan dyan ang fourth data natin? Yung 5. So ito yung sagot natin for Q2. And last, for the quartiles, Q3 is equal to 3 over 4 times 7 plus 1. We have 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24 over 4. So 24 over 4 is 6. Yung pang 6 na data yung ating Q3. So nasan dyan yung pang 6? So itong 7 natin. So ito yung 7 Q3 natin. How about for the interquartile range? So Q3 minus Q2. So we have 7 minus 4. So yun yung ating interquartile range which is 3 only. So yan yung interquartile range natin. Now, sa ano nga ba tong box and whiskers plot? So, of course, alam niyo na ibig sabihin ng box. It is a polygon with 4 sides. Okay, so mag-drawing lang kayo dito ng number line. So, of course, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so dagdagan natin ng 0 kasi yun yung pwede tayo magkaroon ng 0 na score. So, first thing you need to do is to look for the lowest. Nasaan ba dyan yung lowest natin? Yung 2 mismo. Okay, so ito yung lowest. So, maglalagay ka lang dyan ng maliit lang muna na line. Okay, so 2, don't forget yung 2 natin. Susunod, ano yung highest natin? We have 8. Sana dyan yung 8. Nandito. Now, mag-draw kayo din ng maliit lang na line na parallel or I should say na straight dun sa ating 2. Susunod, ano yung Q1 natin? Q1, we have 4. Q2, we have 5. And of course, Q3, we have 7. Now, connect the corners. So, ito yung box natin. Of course, ito yung whiskers natin. Whiskers yung parang sa pusa. So, ito yung box and whiskers plot ng example number 1 natin na data has 5, 7, 4, 4, 6, 2, 8. Okay, so ganyan lang kumuha ng quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, interquartile range, and the box and whiskers plot. Next example, we have 1, 27, 16, 7, 31, 7, 33, 4, and 21. So, determine natin lahat-lahat na. So, Q1, so what is the formula for Q1? Okay, very good. We have 1 over 4 times n plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 plus 1. So 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 over 4. On your calculator, 11 divided by 4 is 2.75. Now, pag Q1 ang pinag-uusapan natin at meron kayong decimal points, ang palagi niyong tatandaan dito ay always round up. Kahit na ang sagot ninyo ay 2.1 or di kaya 2.3, ang magiging sagot nyo ay dito ay 3. Okay? So, ang sagot natin sa 2.75 ay 3 kasi always round up. Hindi ko pinakita ito sa kaninang example kasi wala naman tayong decimal yung 2 natin. Okay, so 3 ibig sabihin lang niyan na yung Q1 natin ay nasa third data. Okay, so let's arrange 1, 3, I should say, not 7, 3, 4, 7, 7, susunod, 16, 21, 27, 30, and 31. May nakalimutan ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Okay, wala. So, yan yung ating data from lowest to highest. Yung third data natin ay 1, 2, 3. So, yung 4. So, Q1 natin is actually 4. Okay? Next, Q2 agad. Q2, we have 2 over 4 times 10 plus 1. So, 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 times 2 is 22 over 4. On your calculator, 22 over 4 is 5.5. Dito sa Q2, kahit i-adapt nyo lang yung estimation rule natin. Wala tayong always round up, wala tayong always round down dito. So, estimate nyo lang dun sa sa 10th digits natin. So, 5, mas mataas siya sa 5. So, magdadagdag tayo ng isa. So, pang 6th na data yung ating susundin. So, alin dyan yung pang 6 na data? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have yung 16. So, yung Q2 natin is 16. Last quartile, we have Q3, 3 over 4 times 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 times 3 is 33 over 4. So 33 over 4 is 33 divided by 4. We have 8.25. Meron tayong decimal. Now, pag sa Q3 naman, always round down. Okay? So always round down. Okay? Dito sa Q1, always round up. Dito sa Q3, always round down. Pero dito sa Q2 natin, i-adapt nyo lang yung estimation rule natin. For example, pag mas mababa sa 4, wag magdadagdag. Pag mas mataas sa 5, magdadagdag. So, pag meron tayong 8.25, ang sagot na natin dito ay yung pang 8 na data. Okay, so nasan dyan yung pang 8 na data? We have yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So itong 27. So this is our Q3. Okay, malapit na tayo sa box and whiskers. Next, we have interquartile range is equal to Q3 natin is 27 minus 4. 27 minus 4 is 23. So yan na kagad yung interquartile range natin. Next, maglagay tayo ng tawag naman dito ng number line. So napapansin ninyo na masyadong malaki yung agwat nung lowest natin at saka yung highest natin which is yung 31 at saka yung 1. So 30 yung range natin. So pwede nyo gawing by 3. So 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so pwede nating 0, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, and 33. Okay, so pag by 1 kasi, medyo mahaba yung ating number line. So, first step, yung ating lowest. Lowest natin ay 1. So, mag-drawing kayo ng line dun sa 1 lang mismo. Huwag kayong lalapit dito sa 0. So, erase natin to. Susunod, yung highest which is 31. Yan. Next, quartile 1, 4. Dito na part. Sunod, 16. Quartile 2 and 27. Okay, so connect the vertices and of course connect the whiskers to the box. Okay, so yan yung box and whiskers plot natin for example number 2. Ganyan kumuha ng quartile 1, quartile 2, quartile 3, interquartile range and to plot the data using box and whiskers plot. Next, we have the last measures of relative position. We have the z-score. So itong z-score, para napag-aralan na natin ito last meeting ng measures for dispersion. So we have z is just equal to x minus the mean over the standard deviation. Ito lang yung formula natin for the z-score. So, for example, in your final examination, may grade daw kayong 95. 95 sa physics and 85 sa biology. Now, the question, in which exam did you do better? So, bago natin sagutin, so without overanalyzing the data, saan kayo mas happy? Sa 95 ba o sa 80? Sa 95 ba o sa 85 na grade? Of course, dun sa 95 kasi mas mataas naman ito dun sa 85. Now, dito na papasok yung z-score natin. So, pwede nating mas sagot yung question na ito na in which exam did you do better? Okay, so this of course, dapat meron kayong mean at meron din kayong standard deviation. So, for physics, tingnan natin kung saan daw kayo mas magaling. So, physics is equal to X. What is our X? Yung grade ninyo mismo, 95 minus. Mean ng physics is 85 over standard deviation, which is 10. Okay, so 95 minus 85 is 10 over 10, which is 1 only. Next, we have biology. So biology is 85 minus 75 over 5. So 10 over 5, which is 2. Now, as you can see na magkaiba yung Z-score ninyo ng physics and biology. Ang ibig sabihin niyan, that the higher the Z-score, pag mas mataas yung Z-score natin, better yung inyong grade or kung ano man yung tinutukoy ng data ninyo. And of course, our conclusion is that you do better in your biology class. Okay? Kasi meron tayong 2 na Z-score, while yung sa physics naman ay 1 only. Okay, so ganyan yung Z-score natin. Last example, I think for the Z-score, we have Charlie got a mark of 85 on a math test, which had a mean of 75 and a standard deviation of 5. Daisy got a mark of 75 on an English test, which had a mean of 69 and a standard of deviation of 2. So relative to the respective mean and standard deviation, who got better grades? So you don't need just to compare the 85 and the 75 of Charlie and Daisy respectively. So, kailangan yung kunin yung Z-score natin. So, of course, kay Charlie muna tayo. Let's have different color. Charlie, we have Z is equal to, what is X? Grade of Charlie, we have 85 minus. Mean is 75 over standard deviation 5. So 85 minus 5 is 10. 10 over 5 is 2. So Charlie has a z-score of 2. While Daisy, so z is equal to 75 minus, what is the mean? 69 over 2. So divided by 2 equals 75 minus 69 is 6 over 2, which is 3. So, anong mas mataas? Yung kay Daisy. So, Daisy got a better grade than Charlie. Okay? So, ganun lang kumuha ng ating measures of relative position. That's it. Thank you for listening.